All right, just for the fun of it, I'm going to try taking, we're at 312 yards to the gong, and I'm going to go ahead and try to take some shots with the Project Glock. I have no expectations of actually hitting this gong. It's a 24 by 24 inch gong. I have no expectations of actually hitting it, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to try. So what I'm going to do is take 10 rounds. I got 10 rounds in the magazine here, and we're going to go ahead and try to hit that gong. At this distance, the front sight's about 4 inches larger than the gong itself. So I'm going to kind of just try to stay, off to the right just a tad bit. And let's go ahead and see if we can impact here. Got to run the round in first. And see where that impacted at. Not sure. Didn't see it. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, that hit. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. 312 yards with a Glock 17. That's freaking awesome. Even if I hit 1 out of 10, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see if we can do 2 out of 10. No. Negative. Whoa, that impacted way high and left, unless it ricocheted up in there. Let's try again here. Ooh, I heard a little ding there. Oh man. Hey, that was only one impact at 312 yards, but you know what? I'll take I'll take one connect with a pistol at 312 for sure. So, all right, guys, just a quick little video, just for fun. See ya.